This is a t-shirt unboxing or unbagging. I buy nearly all my t-shirts from Redbubble. If you don't know about Redbubble, check them out, Google it. It's lots of artists who design shit and put it up on their site, and you can buy it. And these are individually printed when you order them. So you pay for them, they print them up, and you get it. So let's unbag it. They're always bagged nicely. It's a Redbubble sticker. And they're printed up well. Now, my stuff is cars, music, and movies. So the first one we've got is Initial D. These are good quality too. But we all know who Initial D is. So that's cool, like that one. Then we've got Moon Eyes. That's cool. Signs and Pinstriping Studio. We all know what Moon Eyes are. That's cool. And then the last one, because I love my music, and this one's a little bit different, we've got a Kiss. I reckon they're pretty cool. They're Gildan. They're good quality, and I like them. Go and check them out. These are all left to go in the wash now, but that's pretty cool. And I think they cost me, about $22 each, which is good value. All right, that's it. Just a quick unboxing, unbagging. Woo!